I'm making this video as some students requested that they wanted to know the method of playing Janta Varisai, where to put the thala, etc. To begin with, it is enough if you can play 2 speeds. So I have kept the metronome speed at 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. And 8, 2, 3, 4. This is the speed of Adi Tala, where you have to put the tala with your little finger on count 1, 5 and 7. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. This will be the speed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, and 8, 2, 3, 4. In the Arona Krama, the middle finger will follow the dots. That is, if you have to play Ga Ga, the middle finger will be on the Ga fret and the index finger will be on the previous fret. So it is. Now for Ma Ma, the middle finger will be on Ma and the index finger will be on Ga. So in the Avarohana Krama, the index finger will follow the dots. Like if we have to play Sa Sa, then the index finger will be on Sa. Then the index finger has to move to the previous fret and the middle finger has to be dropped. So it is. So I'll once again play the first speed and the second speed of the first Janta Varisai. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now second speed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So similarly you have to play the next Janta Varisai. I will only play the second speed of the second Janta Varisai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the request of some students, I will be playing a couple of more Janta Varisais. The first one is Sa sa re re ga ga re re sa sa re re ga ga ma ma. Second speed will be sa sa re re ga ga re re sa sa re re ga ga ma ma re re ga ga ma ma ga ga re re ga ga ma ma pa pa. So the talam will be on count 1, 5 and 7. 1, 5. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Now we will club 3 Janta Varisais together and play it as one. So it is sa sa re re ga ga sa sa re re ga ga sa 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 re 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 ga ga sa sa re re ga ga ma ma re re ga ga ma ma re re ga ga ma ma re 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 ga ga ma ma re re ga ga ma ma pa pa. So again talam will be on 1, 5, 7. The first segment, that is sa sa re re ga ga, is 2 beats. Then sa sa re re ga ga is again the next 2 beats. Sa 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 re 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 ga ga is the tattu and the veechu, and the last one is sa sa re re ga ga ma. So you can actually remember the talam. In the Avarohana Krama, we have to note that sa 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 ni 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 1 2 1 2 1 2. So it is 1 2 1 2 1 2. So this is a fingering when you do odd numbers. So if it were 5, then it is 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 7. So for odd numbers, this is how you are supposed to play the jante, so that the movement, the free movement of the fingers, there is no crowding and stepping over each finger, So it is like 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So 2 has to be stressed.